it's Jan from Jandal in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below so you can become part of my YouTube family. Today's video is going to be something that I received today from Coach. So just let me go ahead and pull it out right here. And it's a great time to take advantage of all of the sales that are going on right now. So let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. It came wrapped like this, well protected. I just love the color of this. I went ahead, guys, and I removed all of the packaging. Look at this bag. This bag is called the Tilly Top Handle and in the color Blossom. I just love it, and it's by Coach. Look at the color, the side, the back, and it does have a pocket here, which is great convenience with Coach there. It does come with a very long adjustable strap, and this is in leather. I love the turn lock with the gold hardware on there. Let's go open it up. It's a little stuck. There we go. And it does have like a suede type of interior fabric. It has one middle zipper pocket, one slip pocket on the side, and then this one has nothing. Let's go ahead and unzip it. As you can see there, quite a fair size pocket. I love the top handle on it. I like the strap, so you can get hands-free if you choose to do that. But look at the color. Is that not gorgeous? And I will link the measurements down in the description bar below. This one was regular $398 Canadian dollars. I did get it for $119. So that is an amazing savings, guy, for this beautiful bag. Look at that. And it's just in time for summer. Look at that. Gorgeous size, not too small. This is not the mini. I just love this bag, guys. Gorgeous color, very, very light pink. Looks like if you're going to carry it as a handheld bag. You can also carry it on the crook of your arm like this. I love the feet on the bottom. Like that. You can also carry it as a crossbody bag. And I am 5'2" for reference. So it fits a little lower down on the hip, but that's doable. Really like this little bag. What a great find, what a great purchase. There it is, guys. Gold hardware, 4 feet on the bottom, and the back slip pocket, which is a very nice size. All genuine leather. There is Coach on the side. I like how they put it on the side. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So guys, that's what I had to show you today to unbox this beautiful little pink bag by Coach. I cannot wait to use it. So stay safe, everybody. Till next time, define your style. Don't be afraid to show it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care.